Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can host WordPress website without purchasing any hosting. Yes, you heard that right. We don't need to purchase any hosting and we can host our WordPress website on localhost using Xampp server. So Xampp is a tool that creates a virtual environment, or you can say virtual server on your computer through which you can host your websites, not even WordPress, but you can host any other websites also, like HTML, CSS websites. So before starting, as my channel is new, I would request you all to please subscribe it, and if you find this video useful, you can give it a like. So let's move on to our computer screen.
So let's get started. So we are on the Xampp website and we need to download the latest version of Xampp from here. So I'm using Windows and I can download this latest version, which is using PHP 8.2.1.2. Okay, so I'm downloading it. So from here I can download it, and if it doesn't start automatically, you can click here and it will get downloaded in your system. So here is the setup of our Xampp. We can double click it and start the installation as a normal software. So it is giving me some warning about my antivirus. I'll ignore all the warnings and I will continue with the setup. I'll put a specific location where I wanted to install it. I'll click next. The language will be in English and I'll click yes. So it will start installing. Let me fast forward it. So now the setup has completed installing. And yes, we need to start the control panel now. I'm clicking finish. And here we can see it is the control panel of Xampp. Okay. So we need to start Apache and MySQL. I'm going to start it and I'm going to start MySQL also. Okay. So MySQL is shutting down. All right. It is giving me some error because some port may be blocked. Let me fix it and I'll continue the video. So there was a problem with my MySQL. What was happening is my SQL is already running in my system, so I just stopped it and started it from here. Okay, so now both are running. If you encounter this type of error, then what you can do is you can go to the search here and you can search services, and from the services you can search MySQL. Like I'm searching MySQL here, and you can stop it. If it is running, you can stop it. Then your Xampp error will be fixed. Okay. So now we need to download WordPress. I'm on WordPress.org, and you can see here it is the latest version of WordPress. Okay. Now WordPress has been downloaded and it is a zip file. So you need to open it up and you can copy the whole content. I'm copying the whole content from here, and you need to go to the Xampp folder. Okay, where you have downloaded the Xampp, you need to go to that folder. So here in the Xampp folder, you need to find htdocs. So my htdocs is here. You can open it and you can create a folder and name it as your website, test website, and you can paste that content here. Before setting up our WordPress, we need to set up the database. So for that, you need to click on localhost, and after that, you need to write phpmyadmin, this thing. I will provide every URL that I'm using in this video in the description box, so you can take it from here. Localhost phpmyadmin will open up this screen, and you need to go to the databases, and you need to create a database name like testdb, and you can create it. So testdb has been created. Okay. So now we need to do the setup for our WordPress website. So now we need to put localhost and not my PHP admin. Here we will write the website name, which is test website. And from here we will select the language, which is English for me. And I will press continue, and let's go on the next page. Here we need to put database name. So that we have created is testdb. Username should be root only, and we need to remove that password, and we need to skip all these things and click submit. And all right, we have created the installation for our WordPress website, and now we need to run that installation. So it is asking for some details like a site title. So for now I'm writing the title as test website, and username admin, and password will also be admin for now, but it is not taking admin123. All right, so we are confirming the use of weak password. Okay, I need to mandatorily provide it. I'm putting just test@123.com. We have put all the fields correctly. Now I'm going to install WordPress. So I'm saving it, and let's try to log in. Remember me, and I'm clicking on login. Now you can see we are having a WordPress website, and for now we haven't installed any theme, so the default theme is there, which is maybe WordPress 2024 theme. So from here we can easily customize our website.
So we have finished hosting our WordPress website without purchasing any hosting. So now you can create your own WordPress websites. You can learn, you can test them, and you can do whatever you want with localhost. So in the upcoming videos, we will learn about how we can create WordPress websites, and we will also learn about SEO and some best practices. So stay tuned for the next videos. So till then, bye bye, and let's meet you in the next video.